In this video, we will cook this beautiful and delicious salad with avocado and black currant. To cook this salad, for this recipe, we will need the following products: radish, carrots, avocado, black currant, sprouted beans mung, garlic, cilantro, dill, linseed oil, soybean oil, salt to taste. Cooking process. Please rate this video if you like it or even if you don't like. Your opinion is very important for me. Stay with us. See you soon in new video.